Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. A user asked me to factor x to the fourth minus y to the fourth plus x squared minus y squared. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, it should be noted that x to the fourth minus y to the fourth, that's a difference of squares. So we could rewrite that as x squared minus y squared times x squared plus y squared. So what that means is both this here and this here, we can factor out a common x squared minus y squared. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to factor out x squared minus y squared. And then we're left with, well, when we factor that out, we're left with the x squared plus y squared. We have x squared plus y squared. And when we factor x squared minus y squared out of x squared minus y squared, out of this, we get just 1. So this becomes plus 1. Now, this here is also a difference of squares. So I can factor this into x plus y times x minus y. And then we have x squared plus y squared plus 1. Now, for real factors, this is about as far as I would go, but you can also note that this part here, and this really doesn't take care of the plus 1, but this part here is a difference of squares when you have an imaginary part. So the way we could do that is we still have x plus y times x minus y. And then let's do a square bracket there. And then this part here, this would factor into x plus I y times x minus I y. And then we have the plus 1 outside of that. And then let's close the square bracket here. So yeah, if you really wanted to break this part apart into the imaginary components, you could do that. Probably this is as far as I would go. Anyways, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like and subscribe.